Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very exciting video and you can probably see by the title. I don't know if I ever thought this day would come, but I have merch. Woo! I'm really excited. This has actually been ready for so long, but I'm just finally releasing it now and I'm just so excited. So when you watch this video, the merch will be released and available for purchase, so I'm so excited. So I guess I'm just going to show you the things I have. A while back I asked you guys like what came to mind when you thought of me, and a lot of people said like positivity and feminism, and those are things that are really close to my heart. I'm feminist and I think everyone should be. I'm gonna make a whole separate video on why I'm a feminist and like explain kind of like feminists don't hate men and stuff like that, but that's not for this video. First off, I'm wearing the hoodie that I'm selling. I absolutely love this hoodie so much. So it's pink and then it's got the red text on it and it just says girls support girls, and it's the comfiest hoodie ever. Like, it's just the perfect hoodie, and this is great that I'm releasing it in the autumn time because in the autumn I live in hoodies. Hopefully you guys live in hoodies as well, so you can get yourself one of these. And yeah,
I'm really excited.
So yeah, I wanted to release merch that wasn't just like a t-shirt with my name on it, because I'm like,
really?
Who's really gonna wear that? I wanted to release things that I'd actually like to wear, so I really love this hoodie, and I have this hoodie in a size.
Oh, what's the size?
I have this hoodie in a size small, and I will be doing try-on shots so you can see like how they look on and everything, and I think the small is a perfect size because it's just a little bit oversized, which I like. It's really cozy and soft inside. I will have the prices of everything on the screen right now. So yeah, and also this merch will be shipped worldwide, so wherever you live you can get it, and the items will typically be like shipped within a few days, so I think the shipping should be quite quick as well, hopefully. I've never had merch before, so I don't really know, but there is one thing I have that I can't show you because I don't actually have it, but I will insert a picture of it, and that is a phone case, and it's just a pink phone case that says girl power, like GRL PWR. The next thing I have to show you is my pink tee, and this pink tee just says girl power on it, just because we girls rule and girls should always support each other, and it's just like, you know, girls can do whatever they want, so don't let anyone tell you that you can't do something, because
girl power.
But no, I really like this top. I think it's really cute. I actually love red and pink together, so I just knew I really wanted a pink and red t-shirt. This top I have in a small, which isn't very oversized, but you can see it in my merch pictures. I will insert a pic of me wearing it here, and in the trans section just how it looks on. But if you would like it oversized and you're typically a small, I'd say maybe go for a medium. Yeah, that's that top. I absolutely love that one as well. Okay, so the next two t-shirts I have to show you, my friend Libby actually helped me design these. I'll link her channel down below. We've been friends since like 2014 on YouTube, and I don't know, she's just so sweet, and she does graphic design, so she kindly helped me design these. Like, I told her what I wanted kind of, and she's really good at doing designs, so she helped me with them, which was so sweet of her. Thank you, Libby, I love you. So here's the first top, and on it just says positive mind, positive life, because I really believe in positive thinking and just kind of like the law of attraction. If you think positive thoughts and stuff like that, I think positive things will happen to you. I don't know, you can't really take that saying too literally, because obviously I know there's war happening in the world and stuff like that, but it's just like a general thing I like to live by and always see the positive in things, and it just really, I don't know, it makes life a lot more fun to always find the positive instead of the negative. So we have that font, and then on it we have just a drawing of a girl with freckles, which I thought was really cute, and then there's like flowers coming out of her mind, which I thought was really nice, and just like, I don't know, a creative person there. I don't know, I really like it, and I got this one in a size medium. And I just want to let you know that the material of these t-shirts are like really thick and just really comfortable, and they feel like amazing quality. Same with the hoodie here. Really love it. And the hoodie has pockets, as you can see. Or a pocket. I love it when it has like a joint pocket like this. The last t-shirt Libby helped me design was this one. And as you all know, I'm cruelty free. I'm a vegetarian as well. I just
love animals so much,
and for that reason I felt like I needed a t-shirt to just kind of promote that kind of. So I just got this t-shirt, and it's a very subtle one because the logo, or like the design, is up here on the left hand corner of the top, and it just says friends not food, and then there's really cute design of a cow, a pig and a rabbit. I just thought this is the cutest thing ever. Really like it, and it's just on a white t-shirt, as you can see. Also got this one in a medium, and there's a little heart as well there, and I don't know, I just think it's so cute. So again, thank you to Libby. I will put her Instagram and her YouTube in the description box so you can check her out because she is amazing. Just got a call from work. I have to go to work, so I'm gonna finish this quickly. The next thing I have to show you is this really nice tote bag, I think they're called. I'm not quite sure, but it just looks like this. It's like a beige colour, which I really like. It looks so cute, and I've actually used this quite a lot. I used it when I was in Crete. Every day. It's like so handy. I absolutely love it. I've never had a tote bag before, and on it just says girls support girls again in red, and I just think it's so lovely, and I'm definitely going to be using this like almost every day. My yellow backpack is going to be like replaced because I absolutely love this so much, and it's just like so light and easy to bring. So I've got that. Really cute. I'm so excited about all of these things. And now let's just insert a picture of the phone case here. So that is that. I really like that as well, and I really hope you guys will get something, and if you do, definitely tag me on it on Instagram or on Twitter, or send me a Snapchat picture. And if you want, I can I'll probably do like shout outs on my Instagram to like everyone who buys something. So I'm really excited. I'm also really nervous that no one's gonna buy something, but yeah, please don't feel like you have to buy anything. I'm just like really grateful that I got to have this experience and actually create merch. It's just really cool. So thank you to everyone who has subscribed to me and watched my videos. It just means so much, and yeah, I'm really proud of everything that I've created, all of these clothing pieces, and I can finally wear them and show you guys. I've been waiting for this for ages, so this feels really exciting. But I have to go now, so I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment your favourite piece down below, and click the link to buy some merch. I love you all. Bye!
It's not gonna work for you. Nobody can equal me. No.